Welcome to another Energy Solutions Explainer video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Renewable Heat Incentive, otherwise known as the RHI. The RHI is a government-backed financial incentive launched for the installation of air-source heat pumps amongst other renewable technologies. We are often being asked how this is calculated and what people can expect to receive in terms of the financial incentive each quarter over a period of 7 years. Many companies are overinflating the financial incentive, so you don't fall into this trap. You can calculate this yourself, and here is how. First of all, you need to retrieve your EPC certificate. The way of doing this is to go onto the epcregister.com and then select Retrieve Report using the property address. Type in your postcode and click on Search Report. Find your address. If your address is not here or your EPC certificate is not within 2 years of date, you will need to get an EPC certificate completed. These cost between £50 and £100, and you can find a qualified assessor on this website by clicking on Find Energy Assessor. So if I click on the address that I'm interested in and then click on Show Report, I want it in English, it then downloads it into a PDF. On here, you'll be able to find lots of information regarding the property. So the total floor area, when the date of the assessment was carried out, various different other things, including the energy efficiency rating. For this property, it currently stands at a D, which is quite average for a property of this age. Some recommended measures there. A bit more information about the energy performance, broken down into things about cavity wall, heating and so on. This is the information here that you're particularly interested in terms of calculating the RHI, your home's heat demand. So with this information from the space heating and the loft insulation and the water heating, you need to make a note of these figures, and you will then be able to calculate the RHI. So from this information, you go onto the DECS website, which is renewable-heat-calculator.service.gov.uk, which will take you to this screen. Click on England and Wales or Scotland. Yes, I do have a current EPC certificate, and here you type in the information that was extrapolated from the EPC certificate. So in this case, it was the space heating was 13,459. The impact of the loft was 2,621. That's NA and NA, and then the water heating was 3,118. Scroll down to the bottom, type in the first part of the postcode, click on Next, click on the desired technology, in this case it's Airsource heat pumps, and voila. There you'll be able to see that the annual payment is estimated to be £910, so over the period of the 7 years, this property would be entitled to £6,370. There's also then a report that you can download which tells you a bit more information about that. But that's basically it. So I hope you found this helpful.